Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the strategy design pattern in Java and when and how it will be used. And also this many times in the interview they ask what design patterns you used in Java. So you can also mention about the strategy design pattern if you have used. The strategy for the discussion purpose, we are assuming that we have, for example, a ticketing system where in the IT companies, we always have some kind of a ticketing system where you can submit if anything is not working. For example, your laptop is not working, then you will submit a service request, right? Or your mouse is not working, or some issue with your software. You are happening, like you will service a ticket. Basically you will create a service request ticket and you submit it basically into the ticketing system. So let's just assume for the discussion that we have a ticketing system and we create different tickets, and based on its priority or importance we want to put that ticket into different kind of queues. So let's just say that the system uses three queues. So three messaging queues, right? Because mostly you might be knowing that there are messaging softwares like Apache MQ is there, or Rabbit MQ is there, where you can submit the messages and it processes the messages basically asynchronously, right? So let's just for this discussion assume that we have three types of messaging queues. One is for high priority tickets, one is for medium priority ticket, and one is for low priority ticket. So these are the three priority queues we have, and based on the ticket that we create here, or the service request ticket we create, it should be submitted to appropriate queue. For example, if you create a high service request ticket, it should go into high priority queue. If you create a medium ticket, then it should go into medium queue, and if you create a low priority, then it should go into low priority queue. So this is the just a simple architecture that we are assuming for the discussion of our strategy pattern example. So first thing we will create is an interface called as strategy, and it will have one method called as process service request, and it just takes a description of what that service request is basically, right? And we will now, let's say, create three implementation for this interface. One is the high priority service request. It is implementing the strategy pattern, so it will be implementing the process service request, right? So here we are just just doing a system out println, that adding the service request, and we are putting description to high priority queue for processing. But in reality you can actually, if you are using MQs like Apache MQ or Rabbit MQ, you will actually create the message and put that message into the appropriate queue, right? This is only for demonstration purpose, and we are using just a random class to create a random number, and then it will generate a string with like ticket high and then a number, right? Because whenever you create any service request ticket, you generally get like a ticket that you have, like this is your reference ticket number, right? So you, if you want to contact the service desk later, then this is what you should have it in your hand. So that's why it is returning a reference number. So similarly I created it for medium priority service request and a low priority service request. So these are all kind of three service requests that we have. So if for the medium, it will go to medium priority queue, let's say, and for the low service request, it will go to the low priority service queue, and it will return you the appropriate ticket number, like ticket underscore low underscore the number, right? A random number it is generating. So this is the kind of a architecture we created, and then we have created a class called as context, right? Because the context actually is deciding, like let me just go here. So this is the context class. So the context class actually takes the strategy into its constructor, right? And the context class decides in the runtime, it decides which strategy you want to use to submit the ticket, right? If you want to use the high priority queue, like high priority strategy or medium priority strategy or low priority strategy, because based on the service ticket you decide, which strategy you want to put, like execute the strategy interface, right? Like, so that's what this context is. So let me show you one example so you will get more idea. So this is the example of the pattern that I created here. So if you look at this example, let's just make this bigger. So this is our example, right? And so here we are first creating a context and we are putting a high priority service request. So basically we want to use high priority context basically when we are submitting a ticket, and here is the place where we are actually executing the like the creating the ticket, right? Context dot execute, this will call the execute method. This means it will call the process service request method of this high priority service request, right? Because context execute is actually calling the strategies method, right? Strategy interface is there and we have three implementations, so that's how it decides, which implementation to call at the runtime, right? So now if you run this example, then first thing you will see that the first ticket is submitted for high priority queue for processing, and it has generated us a high ticket number, right? Ticket underscore high underscore a random number for reference, right? So similarly, so this is for example laptop not starting, right? So this is like a high priority, we cannot work if laptop doesn't start, so we want to use a high priority queue for that. Similarly, we have another service request. Let's say that service request is that Microsoft Outlook restarting automatically. So there is some issue with your Outlook and it's restarting automatically. So it is kind of medium priority, right? So you want to use the medium priority queue. So we are submitting it into medium priority. So it is returning back us the ticket underscore medium underscore random number. And for any low request, we are just like, for example, mouse not working is your request, right? So it's just a low priority, so we want to put it into low priority queue, so it will give us the ticket underscore low underscore number, right? So this is how, like, so you have the context, you define the context and you specify what strategy you want to use. So this is at a runtime it's deciding, right? So here also you have a context. Now you are saying that you want to use medium strategy for your ticket, or you have context, now you want to use a low priority for your ticket. So it is the same context, but you are changing the strategy you want to use when you are creating the service request ticket. So that's what the importance of the strategy is. It is a behavioral pattern, it's a behavioral design pattern in the Java. And as you can say that it can be now your like your algorithm can be changed at runtime. How you want to create a service request ticket, you are changing it at runtime, so that is what the importance is of this strategy design pattern. So so in today's session we have discussed, the interface and its three implementations we can create, and we create the context class which actually takes the strategy that we want to use when we are executing the creating the service request tickets here in the execute method. So this is how it looks like. And we also saw one example where based on the priorities we are putting the service request ticket into these three queues: high, medium and low, right? So we have seen this example based on a service request ticketing system. So as you might be aware, I often create videos related to Java J2E related technology videos, as well as the interview question answer videos and coding answers and coding solution videos. So please subscribe to the channel. This helps the channel to grow and reach to more people. If you like the video, please hit the like button and bell icon, and thanks for watching the video.